Welcome to Glitter and Glue set 16, and this one is about making judgments, so encouraging students to think critically about what they read and make judgments about those that are more than just, oh, that's really good, or that's really cool, or that's dumb. So we talk a lot about what judgments are in the beginning on day one there, and then so there's not really any answers, but normally I give the answers, and then they go on to glitter. And then day two, you get into the differentiated activities, 3 levels, and there are the notes that they work from and the answers. So we carry on like this, and there's the glitter. So that should be really helpful for senior students in particular. Let's have a look at the activities and glitter. As you know, the activities set has your activity, and then you this one just goes straight to glitter because there's nothing to do, but this one here's the activities, and then they get the space to answer. Glitter, activity, space to answer. Later on you can send out the answers and students can check their own work. Of course, we also have the task cards for printing that are in A4 size so that you can print them off. And you have, I would say, print and laminate and cut them in half along here, so along the middle there, so you have your activities set and your answers set, and they're great for early finishes or sub lessons. Enjoy.